somewhere between a kitchen table idea and a real shop with paying customers. Most maker businesses quietly stall, not for lack of talent, but for lack of a plan. The maker's first 90 days is that plan, a guided week-by-week path from the first spark of an idea to your first 30 customers. It's a complete launch kit, not a single download. A 40-page ebook teaches you the why and the how for every week. A 10-tab Excel workbook does the working, the roadmap tracker, the costing calculator, the budget, and the customer log. Printable worksheets give you the same tools on paper, and a one-page wall planner keeps the whole plan in sight above your bench. The 90 days are broken into 4 phases, and 13 weeks, each with a single clear goal. First, you decide, validating the idea and laying the legal groundwork. Then you build, sourcing your materials, costing them, and creating your launch line. Then you launch, opening the shop and going public. And finally, you grow, winning your first customers and building the systems to keep them. It starts with the most expensive mistake there is, making 100 of something nobody wants. Before you spend $1, Week 1 has you score your idea against 10 honest signals: real demand, a clear customer, a healthy margin. Because a compliment costs nothing, but a pre-order or a name on a wait list is real. Then, the part that quietly sinks so many talented makers: the price. Most undercharge because they price the materials and forget themselves. The workbook's calculator counts everything: your materials, your honest time, your overhead, and the platform's fees, and shows you the one number that matters: the profit you actually keep. Price the hours, not just the object. The workbook is the working engine of the whole program. Set each week's status, and a progress bar climbs as you go, the quiet proof that you're moving. The costing tab reprices every product from one settings page, and the trackers turn your budget, your launch line, and your customers into something you can see at a single glance. When it's time to open the doors, the launch checklist makes sure you're ready. Every listing complete, your policies clear, your shipping priced, and a real test purchase made. It turns the anxious question, "Am I ready?" into a simple list you can finish. Then you soft launch to a friendly few, fix what they trip on, and go public with confidence. The first sale is luck and friends. The first 30 are a habit. The tracker logs every early customer and the channel they came from, so you learn which marketing actually earns sales and which just earns likes. And it builds the reviews that bring the next customer while you sleep. Print the one-page wall planner, pin it above your bench, and tick a week off as you finish it. And whatever you make, candles or cakes, jewelry or woodwork, printables or pottery, the launch arc is the same. If you're pre-launch, this was built for you. The Maker's first 90 days is an instant download from Ardent Workshop Evergreen, and yours to keep. 90 days of small, steady steps, from an idea you believe in to a shop with its first real customers. The plan is here. All that's left is to begin.